In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on personalized ads in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can enable ad topics, site-suggested ads, ad measurement, and Google Account Ad Personalization the right way. This is a simple setting change, but it can make your browsing experience feel much more relevant across websites and Google services. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to start in the browser itself because these settings are built directly into Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is where you sign into your Google account and make sure you're using the Chrome profile connected to that account. Personalized ads work best when you're signed in because Chrome and Google can connect the settings to your account and preferences. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to do that now. Next, click the three dots menu in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find all the browser settings you need. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Chrome settings page. On the left side of the settings screen, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for your browsing privacy, site permissions, and advertising privacy settings. Now look for Ad Privacy and click it. This is where Chrome lets you manage the newer ad-related options that control how ads are personalized and measured. Inside Ad Privacy, you'll see the first option called Ad Topics. Turn Ad Topics on. When this is enabled, Chrome can personalize the ads you see based on broad browsing interests, which helps make ads more relevant without exposing your exact activity. After that, go back and open Site-Suggested Ads. Turn this setting on as well. This allows websites to suggest more relevant ads based on how you browse and interact online, so the ads you see may better match your interests. Next, go back again and open Ad Measurement. Turn Ad Measurement on. This helps websites measure ad performance while still using privacy protections, so advertisers can understand what's working without directly tracking you in the old way. After you've enabled all three Chrome ad privacy settings, the next step is to make sure personalized ads are also open a new tab and go to myadcenter.google.com. Sign into the same Google account you use in Chrome. Once you're in Google's ad settings, find Ad Personalization and turn it on. This is the part that lets Google services show personalized ads across supported products using your account settings. When all of these options are enabled, Chrome and your Google account are both set up for personalized ads. That means ad topics, site-suggested ads, ad measurement, and Google's own ad personalization will all be active. If you want a more customized browsing and ad experience, these settings are exactly what you need. And that's it. You've now turned on personalized ads in Google Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.